In the last 5 years, you guys have seen me sell a lot of different things in my vending machines, like snacks, drinks, frozen food, and even tampons, believe it or not. But today we have a new challenge because a brand new laundromat called me and they want 2 vending machines in 5 days. Luckily, as y'all can see, I have some vending machines ready to go, but here is where it gets complicated. He wants me to sell detergent bottles in one of the machines because it is a laundromat. So now you guys know why I've been stressing so much, because I have 5 days to be able to fit these bottles into the machine. So in this machine, I'm gonna be selling soap, and in this one is where I'm gonna have all these snacks and drinks. Now, if you look closely, this one looks pretty nice, but this one is kind of old and ugly. Now, I do have a solution, and that solution is to wrap the entire machine with my logo. Now, the issue with that is that we have 5 days to come up with a design, wrap the machine, fit the detergent bottles inside, and finally deliver the machine right in time for their grand opening. So step 1 again is designing the wrap for the machine, which surprisingly I found someone on Fiverr that designs wraps for vending machines and can have one ready in 24 hours for about $100. So I told her to keep it simple and just put a bunch of basic soap bottles all over the machine. I want to make sure I get the design as soon as possible because I did call my local print shop and they told me it was going to take 2 days to print the wrap and cost me about
$500 if we wrapped it, or $300 if you did it yourself.
I'll go ahead and do it myself. Hopefully I don't mess up because I'm not a rapper.
Understood, that's fine.
Thank you so much. Alright guys, it's been about 24 hours and I finally got the design delivered. I haven't seen it yet, so let's open it up together and see what it looks like. I'm pretty nervous, but let's see. What? Bro, that is way better than I expected. Again, this is going to be my first time wrapping a machine ever, so it's crazy knowing that this used to be an ugly machine. And now look at this, it's so much better. We have the detergent bottles floating everywhere. We have some soap bubbles, and she even added my logo on the side of the machine, so that's pretty cool. Let me know down below what you guys think of the wrap, and in the meantime, I'm gonna send this over to the print shop so they can start working on it, which again is going to take 2 whole days. So we have until then to get this machine ready. So while I'm waiting on the wrap to be printed, I went ahead and started cleaning the machine because guys, look at this. I have no idea what this is. So we have to clean the entire machine, and I started switching out the coils as well. This way we can fit the bigger bottles of soap. But this took so long that I eventually fell asleep in the machine. What? I'm taking a nap. Anyways, quick update. As y'all can see, I took out every single tray out of the machine, which I actually have right over here. So I did have 6 trays in there before, but I only want to have 4. That way I don't have to put too much product in the machine because I'm not sure how much soap I'm actually going to be selling. Actually, another reason why I had to take the trays off is because if I have 6 in there, I can't fit the bottles of detergent. Like, pass me a bottle.
It fits.
Bruh. No, it doesn't.
Yes, it does.
No, it doesn't. Man, I'm tired. I'm going back to bed. Get out of here. See you in the morning. This was going to be our first laundromat location, so the next morning we went to our local laundromat to look at their vending machines and see what their prices were like and what they were selling. But we noticed that they also had a soap vending machine. It was kind of weird because I purchased this bag full of, I don't know, Coke, which turns out that instead of them selling boxes or bottles of soap, they just pour everything into sandwich bags. I guess that's one way of doing it. This might be only for people that just want a smaller portion of soap, but I definitely only want boxes and bottles of soap in my machine because I think it looks so much better. With that being said, let's go get the wrap. I'm hoping it came out good because I haven't seen it at all, so I'm kind of nervous. I'm Jaime. I came for the wrap for the vending machine. Guys, check this out. The wrap came out so good and I'm so happy it actually finished on time. It was kind of funny because the guy freaked out when I told him it was my first time wrapping a machine. So he tried explaining to me how to do it, but obviously I had no idea what he was saying. So I just said, okay.
Inside, and then trim it off. Trim it out that way whenever you're squeegee against the edge, it'll fall into place.
Okay. We got this wrap done in literally days. They were pretty quick, but again, thank you so much, and it was a pleasure.
Yeah, appreciate it, man.
Came out good, right?
Yeah.
I feel like that just made me want to wrap more of my machines.
Chill.
I come in peace, my lady. I come from a vending machine land far, far away, and the king has brought this message just for you. He would like to know if you would if you would wrap his vending machine.
No.
All right, it is finally time to start wrapping the machine again. We're only wrapping two sides because the right side is going to be covered by this machine, so there's literally no point. I guess we can start with the left side since it's all flat compared to the front. If you take a closer look, it has all these edges and curves. Looks just like you. Aww. So this is gonna be much, much harder. Isn't it going to be hard since it's all rolled up? How am I supposed to keep it like still? Guys, I'm gonna be honest, I don't think I'm gonna be able to do it by myself, so I'm gonna have to call an expert, Gilbert. I can't do this by myself. Bro, he's not picking up. Yo, what you doing? You busy?
Nah, not really. What's going on?
Yo, so I got this machine right behind me. I have to wrap it, right? I know you wrap cars. I know you window tint. You think you can come help me?
Hell yeah, bro. Why not? Come on, let's get it.
All right. How long would it take for you to be here?
As a matter of fact, I think I'm outside.
Oh, shit. Yo, I didn't know you can teleport. You guys know Gilbert. He's been in some videos in the past. We actually have a vending machine at his shop. So again, he does window tint. You've wrapped some cars in the past.
Yes,
do you think you can wrap a vending machine?
Yes, sir, we can.
So before Gilbert came, I made sure to clean the entire machine. So by the time he gets here, we could get straight into wrapping the machine. But that wasn't enough because apparently...
You gotta use rubbing alcohol, bro, 70% in order to get all the contamination out of the machine.
You're trying to say my machine is dirty?
No, your machine's not dirty. I'm just saying there's contamination on there that you can't even see it.
So you're trying to say I'm blind? Bro, I see no contamination. What are you talking about?
You don't?
Damn, look at that. And we cleaned it. If I clean the machine like this, imagine how I clean my... I'm just playing. But there it is. After a couple hours, we are finally done. What do y'all think? Let me know down below in the comments. We're dropping this machine off tomorrow. We still have to go and buy the product, the soap, and all the stuff that we're gonna be selling. But last minute, we got it done. If you guys need your vending machine wrapped or anything, your window tinted, hit him up. Junior's Tint in Burleson. All right, everyone, it's finally that day. We're here at the laundromat about to drop off both machines. They're bringing in the combo machine right now, and y'all can see the soap machine is right in there. Man, I'm excited. Only issue though is I'm not sure if the machine fits through the door. We've had to take entire doors off before. We've had to build the building around the machine before. Like, we have to drop off the machine first, and then they start building up the foundation and everything. We make it work. Guys, look, this is where our machines are gonna be going. Can they see that? They made like a little section just for our machines. That's pretty cool.
There you go.
Like I said, it is a brand new laundromat that hasn't even opened yet. They are opening next week. That's why there's a lot of construction. So I'm not sure how much I'm gonna be able to record in a bit, but we're still gonna fill up the machines. Also, quick fun fact about this machine. It's actually the first machine we ever placed 5 years ago, and sadly, we took it out a few days ago because it wasn't doing as good, but at least it has a better home now. It was sad though. She actually started crying.
I did not.
Yes, you did.
I said I wanted to.
And we actually have some free help right here. Y'all wanna help?
Yes.
Free labor, let's go.
Back in that, yeah. Tell them to watch it. Now I ain't talking my pockets. Just know we ain't running out the way that we stock it. If I got it, you got it. If I call it, she slide and tell her to mop it. Yeah, I got that on. Then she took that thing off and bring it around. Going at it till I'm on. Put that 90 in a hole. I'm beating it down. I'm back in that bag again. Whoa, whoa. Oh, say less. I'm back in that bag again. Yeah, yeah. Oh, say less. I'm back in that. Yeah. What you doing? Yeah, yeah. I'm back in that. Hey, where you going?
Hey, hey, back in that bag again. Don't bring me around your friends. You know that I'm bagging them. Request me on Facebook, no, I ain't adding them. They loving the drip, they think I'm a force. They gotta move cautious. Back in my duffel, I'm working a double like I'm in the office.
Tell them to watch it. Now I ain't talking my pockets. Just know we ain't running out the way that we stock it.
All right, everyone, we are finally done. As y'all can see, both machines are looking good. We have the snacks, the drinks, and of course, the soap. It's still so weird seeing soap in a vending machine because I'm not used to it. But I still have no idea what to expect sales-wise, but I'm hoping it does pretty good. The same thing with this machine, because at first we were actually going to put 3 machines in here. That's why there's this extra space on the left side, which I think they should do pretty good because this is the only brand new laundromat in the area, which if you guys want to come and use my vending machines or maybe wash your clothes, come to Lone Star Wash and Fold and check them out. But you guys know the drill. We have to test the machine before we leave. So what do you want? You want a drink?
Yeah. What the?
Bro, what?
Why is it doing that?
Isn't it supposed to be the other way around? There you guys have it. What's going on? I mean, there you guys have it. The first ever reverse vending machine. We could just leave it like that. Make some extra money.
We can't.
Look at this, and then look at this. This one's like higher. I think I just put it the wrong way. Let's go. There we go. Imagine if we didn't test it and we got a call like, hey, the product is going backwards. Like, what do you mean? There it is. It works. Guys, I spent the last 5 days planning and getting everything ready, not just for this location, but for this video. So I'm so happy we actually got it done. It's actually been a few days since we dropped off the machines. The laundromat is open now, and the first day it made about $20. It should do a lot better in the next few months as more and more people come. With that being said, that is pretty much it for the video. But before I end it, I quickly want to mention that if you're interested in starting a vending machine business in 2023, then click the first link down below. I am picking a few people to mentor one-on-one and teach you guys everything I know about building a successful vending machine business. So again, if that's you, click the link down below. But that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I feel like you were barely in this video, so now is your time to shine and say bye to everyone.
Bye, guys.
See you on the next one. Peace out.
I had a...